Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Ssms, click Connect and choose Database Engine. Enter the server name or server / instance. Choose Authentication, Windows or SQL Server Authentication, and type credentials. Make sure the SQL Server browser service is running if using a named instance. If the server is remote, ensure inbound port 1433 or your custom port is open. Once done, press Connect and move to Configuration for the database you need. Now you configure the detailed connection settings so the session behaves predictably. In the Connect dialog, click Options. Set the default database to the target to avoid extra steps. Under Connection Properties, specify Network Protocol, and if needed append 1433 to the server name or use IP port. Decide on encryption, select Trust Server Certificate for internal networks, or provide a certificate for production. Also set execution timeout and application name. These help with stability and monitoring once you connect. Finish by confirming the database is accessible and permissions are correct. In Object Explorer, expand databases, attach an MDF/LDF if needed, and verify the login has user mapping and required roles. Once done, run a simple select to confirm read/write operations. If you hit errors, pause and check services, SQL Server and SQL Server Browser, firewall inbound rules, and whether mixed mode authentication is enabled. One key troubleshooting tip. Use the SQL Server error log to pinpoint login or network failures. This often reveals the exact cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.